Hello and welcome to Couples Quest. We're Matt and Danielle, and this week we're so excited because we're not only exploring one of our favourite parts of Bali, this is definitely more like it, but we're staying in one of the most luxurious resorts Bali has to offer. We're in Sidemen and we're staying in Samanvaya. You have to see this.
We have just checked into paradise.
This is stunning. It's
so amazing.
Yeah, I can't believe we're staying here. If you think the view behind us is anything to go by,
The room is,
I mean, look at this. Just look how huge that is.
10 out of 10.
We're going to give you a walkthrough tour in a minute. That's going to take time in itself. It's massive. You've got to see this view in front of us right now. We're just looking at the mountains, the rice fields. It's so green.
This is why Sidemen is our favourite part of Bali. It's so beautiful.
We've got to show you this. Okay, we're going to give you a villa tour, but first I think I need to change into something a bit more comfortable, just like Danielle already has. This is definitely more like it. Now let's show you around.
Oh hi, you want me to show you around?
Absolutely.
This is our private pool. One of the amazing places we can see the view.
Shower?
Just the one shower.
You sure?
Is there more?
Did you not know?
No! This is so cool. Look at that little shower. Oh my god, this place is amazing. I love it.
Okay, we've shown you around. Now it's time to chill by the pool. It's very rare that we get a private pool all to ourselves, and let alone one with this view. It's magnificent. Oh, we just absolutely love Sidemen. It's amazing. But what better way to see this view with a nice little cocktail? Danielle's enjoying a little swim.
Thing about Samanvaya is they have these little wooden cubes in every room, and on one side it's got the Wi-Fi, so you just scan your phone camera and it gives you the Wi-Fi, and another side they've got menus and information which takes you to their website. You can look at spa treatments, you can look at drinks menus, food menus, everything. So yeah, it's really cool detail that they have.
Oh no, little guy.
A bird who's just flown in. Is he okay? Are you okay? Oh no. Oh no! Oh! He's getting, oh! Oh! He's out! Oh, he's out! Oh! Poor little guy! Oh, bless him. Let's close some doors.
We've had the most amazing relaxing afternoon here. We've been looking at these spectacular views behind us. It's just beautiful here everywhere you look. We've chilled by the pool, we had a nice cocktail, and now we're going to head out for dinner. But first, they've got a turn down team here at Samanvaya, which is really cool. They'll come and get your room set up for the evening. So watch them turn this place into the perfect nighttime haven. Good night.
Good night.
See you in the morning. Salamat pagi.
Salamat pagi.
Good morning.
We had such a lovely sleep last night. The bed is so comfortable.
Yeah, you can't not have the best sleep of your life in this bed. It's amazing.
We just ordered some breakfast, so we scanned the cube that I showed you, and you also get a little phone in every room.
It connects to reception and they know which room is messaging them. You message through WhatsApp and you can order food, cocktails, drinks, anything that you might
make
need.
a dinner reservation, spa reservation. Yeah, it's really cool.
It's super easy and so helpful. We're just going to get breakfast delivered now, and I'm pretty sure there's a spot on the balcony that's waiting for us.
With the best view.
Okay, we have finished a delicious breakfast.
With the best views.
Oh, like, could just never get tired of this.
I could sit here all day.
Yeah, the views at Samanvaya are amazing, but in general, the views in Sidemen are astounding. 10 out of 10, it's just our favourite. Now that we've had breakfast, we're gonna have a little, might as well use our private pool, right?
Of course.
Go for a little bit of a swim,
dip,
and then we'll give you a tour of Samanvaya. We'll show you some of the other places and a little walk around the grounds.
It's a really beautiful resort, so strap in, we're going for the tour.
Danielle's enjoying a nice swim. I can't go in the pool because I won't show you the gruesome details, but I'm minus a toenail after some whitewater rafting antics recently, and it's difficult to look at this pool with this view and not get in, but I at least get to live vicariously through Danielle as she enjoys that water with those views, and I still get the views. Hello.
Unfortunately, our time has come to check out of Samanvaya. We're really sad to be leaving. We've had such a beautiful time. Matt is currently away trying to figure out if we can barricade ourselves in here and just never leave. Our stay here at Samanvaya has been so beautiful. We've loved every second. It's just nature and luxury combined. Oh no, they're here to take the bags. Oh. We just don't want to check out. It's so beautiful, and yeah, if you are in this area, come and check it out because it's gorgeous. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful villa and this week's vlog. Don't forget to tune in next week for more Bali travel vlogs as we explore more of this amazing island. See you then!